There are two main types of smoke alarms available for the home: ionisation and photoelectric. They both work in different ways. Ionisation smoke alarms are best for detecting fast flaming fires. They contain a small amount of radioactive material that creates an electrical current which travels through ionised air. When smoke enters the detection chamber, it interrupts the current and causes the alarm to sound. Photoelectric smoke alarms are best for detecting slow, smouldering fires. They work using a light source and photocell. When smoke enters the detection chamber, it interferes with the light beam, which sets off the alarm. Photoelectric smoke alarms provide good all-round detection and alarm, and are best suited for bedrooms, living areas, and near kitchens. They are shown to be better at detecting slow, smouldering fires than ionisation alarms, and cause fewer nuisance alarms if located near kitchens. Ignition sources and the materials in your home mean a slow, smouldering fire is most likely to occur when you are asleep. This is when fire safety risk is at its peak, as sensors are dulled and response times are slower. Don't delay in installing a smoke alarm. The life you save could be your own.